In this example, we're analyzing a survey. We had 159 employees that responded to a management survey soliciting employee ideas. And then here's the summary of results in the survey. So this was our Likert scale: strongly disagree, disagree, neutral, agree, strongly agree. So that is a Likert. And then these are the number of responses in each category. So my question first is, what are the sample points? Well, you could consider the sample points as the strongly disagree, disagree, neutral. So the group of responses that were in the same category. Or you could consider a single employee response to be a sample point. I'm going to do the former. So my sample points here I'm going to consider as strongly disagree, disagree, neutral, agree, and strongly agree. So then the probability of each sample point, well, these total up to 159. So the probability that a person strongly disagrees, so the likelihood of that sample point, there were 6 people that strongly disagreed out of 159, so 6 out of 159. And then the same for the rest. So probability that they disagree would be 18 disagrees out of 159, so 18 out of 159, and etc. What's the probability a person agrees or strongly agrees? So that's these two categories. So we're going to add the probability of the sample points. So that's probability of agree plus probability of strongly agree. So that's going to be 64 out of 159 plus the 30 out of 159. So 94 out of 159. Probability that they do not strongly disagree. So it's every category except strongly disagree. So that's going to be disagree, neutral, agree, and strongly agree. So we're going to add those probabilities. So this will be 18 out of 159 plus 41 out of 159 plus 64 out of 159 and plus 30 out of 159. And then you might have noticed that an easier way to calculate this is going to be to take the total 159 and then just subtract out the 6, because we're not including strongly disagree. So you could subtract out that 6 out of 159. So either way, you're getting 153 out of 159.